Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are in your late 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s and beyond, and you've started noticing signs of fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness on your face, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I'll be sharing 5 best anti-aging face creams that can help to improve your skin, that can help to end wrinkles and aging. These creams are highly affordable and they are very effective. If you're targeting a smooth, fresh, and youthful look, these best creams will do exactly that on your skin with consistent use. And guess what? The best part about these creams is that you don't need to go break the bank. These creams are highly affordable. Yeah, very affordable, very effective of how you can improve your skin, how you can get rid of fine lines, how you can get rid of aging, all those wrinkles that are coming, sneaking on your face and just bringing signs of aging for you. You're noticing signs of aging, you're noticing wrinkles on your face. This video is just for you. So you're the right person for this video. So make sure you sit back, relax, watch this video and watch it till the end, all right? So, but before we get into the video, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Anita Akoja. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. On this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, and affordable skincare routines to help you give you a youthful, beautiful, and glowy skin. If you love skincare, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, all right, turn on the notification bell, like this video, drop your comments for me. Feel free, ask questions in the comment section, and also share this video, all right? So let's get straight into the video. Number one is Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. Yes, I guess you've heard about it. If you've not, then you're hearing about it firsthand in this video. This cream is so good and so popular, very popular worldwide. This cream is loved worldwide because it is very good. It focuses on anti-aging, focuses on skin improvement, skin elasticity, and skin hydration. It will help hydrate your skin. It will help to improve your skin texture. The key ingredient is niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and also peptides. So this cream contains peptides, it contains niacinamide, it contains hyaluronic acid, which is very good for aging as well. Also contains amino peptides. This ingredient works together to give you a plump skin. It works together to improve your skin texture. It works together to give you a hydrating and smooth skin. So that's what it does. It will smoothen your skin. It will give you a hydrating skin, and it will help to give you like a plump skin, especially because of the hyaluronic acid in it. So what makes Olay Regenerist so special is because it gives visible results faster. Like immediately you start using it, you start noticing fast results immediately, like from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. Like in a month, you notice the difference. There are some creams that are very mild. There are some facial creams or moisturizers or face creams that are very mild. Like they don't work effectively from the first 2 to 3 weeks or first 1 month to 2 months. Like you have to use them over time because they are very mild and they work slowly. But this one gives like fast results. So if you're expecting fast results in this cream, you will definitely get it. That's what you will get in this cream. What you will definitely notice when you start using it, you'll notice that your skin, you notice softness of your skin. You notice your skin is becoming smoothness and softness of your skin. So immediately you start using it, you notice you're having like a hydrating skin. You notice the smoothness of your skin texture becomes very smooth and very soft. The cream is lightweight. It's actually lightweight, so it's not heavy on when you use it on makeup. You can use it under your makeup. You can apply it and apply your makeup because it's not heavy. It's a very lightweight cream. Another thing about this cream is that it is non-greasy. So some creams are actually greasy on your skin. So when you apply makeup, it doesn't really stay because you notice the greasiness, but this is non-greasy. So it's very good, very effective, especially if you want to apply makeup. It's non-greasy, it's lightweight, and it's something you can apply and also apply your makeup on it and you're good to go. All right, this cream is very good if you have fine lines, if you're noticing dry or aging skin. It will help clear your skin, all right, to help clear fine lines, it will help clear dry skin and dull complexion. Number two is Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Yeah, so what it does is it targets your wrinkle and helps to repair any rapidly repairs any wrinkle on your skin. So it does exactly what it says it is. Yes, it is just the way it is. Rapid wrinkle repair. So it will help repair every wrinkle on your skin rapidly, like in a fast way. It helps with your skin resurfacing, right? So that's what it does. The key ingredients in this cream is retinol, which is a form of vitamin A. Another ingredients in this is hyaluronic acid and glucose complex. So I'm going to talk about like the major ingredients in this, which is retinol. So what does retinol do to your skin when you're using it, especially for anti-aging? Retinol helps to reduce aging. That's what it does. And this cream, the major ingredient is retinol. All right, so we're going to be talking about what does retinol do to your skin, especially when it comes to aging. It helps to speed up your skin turnover. It helps with fine lines. It helps your skin tone. It helps to improve your skin tone, and it helps to fade away dark spots. That's what retinol does. This cream is best for uneven skin tone. It's best for wrinkles. If you're noticing wrinkles, it's best for matured skin, and it's best for age spots. So if you have those spots that have stayed long on your skin, and those stubborn spots, those stubborn dark spots that have refused to go, it's very good for it because it will help clear off every dark spot on your skin, and it will help give you like even skin tone. Number three is L'Oreal Vitalift Triple Power. It contains three key ingredients, which is vitamin C, proretinol, and hyaluronic acid. So these are three powerful ingredients in one formula, in one cream, and they do magic, like they perform magic. That's why this cream is so popular, because what it does is to lift your skin. It's quite expensive on the pricey side, but you are sure of what you're getting. Like what you're paying for is what you're getting. These three combinations help to reduce wrinkles on your skin. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to increase firmness. It helps to give firmness on your skin, and it also helps to hydrate your skin. Yes, so these are the four things that they do. So this cream is best for aging skin. It's best for matured skin. It's best for skins that are noticing signs of aging. So if you're just noticing signs of aging, this is the best cream to to use, because it will target signs of aging. So even if you have like your skin is get already aged, let's say you have aged skin, it will help to reduce signs of aging on your skin, and also helps to give you an even skin tone. So if you're noticing signs of uneven skin tone, it will help to give you an even skin tone. It helps with dullness. So if you're noticing dullness on your skin, it will help to brighten and reduce dullness on your skin. When you start using it, you notice definitely that your skin will start improving in the first 4 weeks. You definitely notice improvement. So you have to keep using it. You have to use it for like a month before you notice the improvements, like real improvements, real results. You definitely notice in the first 4 weeks. Number four is Nivea Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Cream. So this cream is very affordable. It's a budget-friendly cream, and is the best option if you're on a budget. Very, very gentle on the skin, gentle option, and very affordable option. This is the cream. So if you're looking for something gentle and very affordable, this is it. This cream is perfect for people who want simple, effective anti-aging skincare without irritation. So if you have like a sensitive skin and you don't want irritation on your skin, then this cream is perfect for you. Nivea Q10 is the best cream for you because it's simple and it's very effective, and it's good for people with sensitive and combination skin. So this cream contains antioxidants, it contains carnitine, and it also contains CoQ10, that's coenzyme Q10. It contains CoQ10 in it, so which is very good for the skin. These are the key ingredients in this cream. We all know coenzyme Q10, which is CoQ10, is normally found on our skin. But as we age, over time as we age, it reduces. So it reduces on our skin. So this cream contains it so that it helps to fight free radicals on your skin. It helps to reduce early fine lines, and it also helps to improve your skin energy and repair. It is best for daily moisturization. If you want to be moisturizing your skin daily, it is best for it, for daily moisturization. It is best for signs of early aging. So if you're noticing signs of early aging, it is very good for it. It targets signs of early aging. It's best for sensitive skin. It is best for early signs of aging, and also it is best for daily moisturization. Number five is Olay Total Effects. Olay Total Effect. This is a 7-in-1 anti-aging cream. It contains like 7 ingredients, 7 things that it does. Yes, so it's 7-in-1 anti-aging cream. So this is like a 7-in-1 multiple taxing cream. It contains like 7 things that it does to help to improve your skin. It is designed to target multiple skin concerns at once. So at once, in one cream, you get like 7 different things that it is doing for you. It reduces fine lines, it even skin tone, it improves brightness, it hydrates your skin, it smooths texture, it helps to smooth the texture of your skin, and it firms your skin and also reduce dullness. So these are like the 7 things, 7-in-1 things that it does. So what makes this cream unique is because it contains so many things in one. Yes, it contains so many things in one, so it targets so many problems for you on your skin. So that's why it is unique. And because it is lightweight and very easy to use. All right, so then it's good for every day. It's great for everyday use. You can use it every day because it will help to improve your skin in so many ways, and you get to use it like on a daily basis. But another thing is that it takes time to work because it's working, doing different things at the same time. So you have to like use it consistently for a longer period of time before you notice the effect. But you have to be consistent. So it takes time for it to work. It works slowly, but very effective if you're consistent. If you're aging, you're already like you're on your aging process, it will help with your aging concerns. It's good for also for beginners, and it's also good for people that have like busy schedules. If you have like a busy routine, it helps you as well because it works slowly and very effective. Final advice: before you rush into buying any anti-aging cream, just remember that no cream works alone. Consistency is everything. You need to be consistent. And your lifestyle, you need to check your diet, you need to get good sleep, you need to drink lots of water. Water helps the skin. Then you need to eat good food, diets, take fruits and veggies, helps with your skin as well, because some of these things contains collagen, and collagen helps with your skin, helps give you like a youthful skin. So your diet is very important, it's non-negotiable. Your lifestyle, you need to check your lifestyle and your diet. You need to eat good food, you need to exercise, which helps with your skin. Then you need to also apply your sunscreen daily, on a daily basis. All right, apply your sunscreen, apply it 2 to 3 times daily. Which of this cream have you used, or which one are you using, or which one do you intend to use? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. All right, and feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. For affordable skincare products, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find this helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.